Hello everyone and welcome back. You ever wondered how effective a 223 round was at 50 feet? Me too. That's why I decided to find out today. Pretty damn effective. I was out sighting in what's going to be my truck gun, which we'll take a look at. And I got it all sighted in, and I had this old piece of steel that came off a spinner. Spinner was all rusted out, so I just set it in the ground, set up about 50 feet away, and yes, it's my truck gun, so it doesn't have to be sighted in at 100 yards, plus I'd have to set up a 100-yard range. So I just sighted it in with what I had out there, and then I decided to have a little go at this piece of steel. Regular old 223, not steel core. Pretty effective. So let's take a look at my truck gun. Alright, so here we are taking a look at the truck gun. What we've got is an M&P Sport in 5.56. I've got the Magpul bad lever on it. I added the quad rail to it. We've got a stream light up here. I took off the original front sight, put a flip up sight on it here. And I've got the Magpul flip up sight back here. We've got some UTG quad rail covers. We got the Magpul flash or weapon light holder. We've got the regular cheapy M&P 2-point sling on it. It's not great, but it doesn't come with the QD mount, so got a Magpul QD mount there. And we've got a Rise armament trigger in there, which is really nice. I mean, that thing is 4.5 pounds and it breaks clean as can be. Pulled this off, pulled the charging handle off of one of my other ones, and we've got the Hogue grips on it, Hogue buttstock on it, 6-way adjustable. Got the storage here, so that gives you a little bit of place to put like your Allen wrenches and some batteries if you need them. And we've got a Tacticon little red dot sight. This was cheap. It's just a little knockoff of the Surefire, or the Surefire. I don't know. I got it on another one. It's nothing but a red dot. It's got, I think it's a 3 times magnification, maybe. I'm not sure, but you know, you got your windage and your elevation adjustments. These screw down. Pretty easy to adjust. And you've got 5 different levels of red and green dot on it. So I was just taking it out, doing a real quick sighting it in, because I don't think I ever sighted it in with this, and seeing how it was gonna shoot, and that was pretty much all I was gonna do with it. So like I said, it's gonna end up being my truck gun. It was actually the first AR I ever bought. I bought it in 2012 in December, so take that and you know where that came from. And there's not much left to it that's M&P other than the barrel and the receivers and the bolt carrier group. So it's my M&P that's not quite an M&P, but it shoots well. That trigger is awesome. I like the Rise armament triggers. They're nice. The drop-in came with the anti-walk pins on it. but it's going to be my truck gun. So there you go, and yes, I'm sorry you didn't get to see me shooting, but it's hot as balls out there, and I was really just planning on going out and getting this sighted in real quick. So, till next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.